Okay, so welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. In 2026, this is our first video of 2026, and it's an interesting one. It's an important one. As always, all the videos are important, which is why every time I begin a video, I'll tell you that it's another important, crucial video, right? So today is another important one. It's a crucial video. If you don't understand what we will be talking about today, you will not make money in the crypto market, because that's how important it is. So today's topic is very important. So last week we didn't have a coinfluencer video, and that is because it was the festive season and I was caught up, and I thought it is the festive season, a lot of people are busy. It was the 30th. A lot of people were busy with other things as well. So we skipped 1 week and then we are back. Today is the first Tuesday of 2026. So happy New Year's, everyone. I hope that you guys had a good celebration on New Year's, and I'm wishing you guys a very prosperous year in 2026. So this is how we're going to make this year prosperous, all right? By watching this video, by taking in this information, and yes. So welcome back. Happy New Year. And so today's topic is about a coin's market cap. So today we're speaking about a coin's market cap, what it means, and we'll delve into different aspects of what a market cap means. And it's going to be very informative. So I hope that you have your notebook, if you need a notebook, or just take notes, dog, because it's going to be very informative. So without wasting any more time, let us get into the video. Okay, so welcome back, everyone. Let's get into the topic, right? So as you can see here, I already have all the pages up, right? So first, we're going to look at a market cap. So now, what is a market cap? So the reason why this topic is very important is because a lot of people have a lot of misconceptions when it comes to crypto, right? So the average person comes into crypto. For instance, let's say someone tells you that if you want to see a list of crypto coins, like a list, you go to CoinMarketCap. And so you go to CoinMarketCap and then you are met with the list of coins, right? And then you look here, you look at price. This is what everyone does, especially when you are interacting with crypto for the first time. You look at the price, and you make your judgment, your investment decision based on a coin's price. So for instance, if you look here, you can see that Bitcoin is $91,000, and you can see that Ethereum is 3,000. This one is okay, that's a stable coin. This one is $2. This is $888, right? You can see that in terms of price, different coins have different prices. So this is what the average person does, especially a beginner in crypto. You look at a coin's price and then you want to invest according to that price. So for instance, if you have 50 rands, you think that you cannot invest in a coin that is $91,000. So you think you can only invest in a coin that is $2, because you think it's like buying maybe a product at the retail store, but it doesn't work like that. So in crypto, the most important thing is not the price. So you shouldn't look at the price in order to decide how to buy a specific coin. It's not price that is indicative. You need to look at the market cap, which is why today we are delving into what a market cap is. And yeah, so I'll just teach you about a market cap and different things that I think are important to understand vis-a-vis a market cap. So this is number one. Why am I speaking about this? Because a lot of beginners and the average person in crypto, they get into the markets, look at the list, and they want to buy coins that they have the money for. So you look at the money you have in your pocket and you think, this is the one I can afford based on price, and this one I cannot afford based on price. And it doesn't work like that. So that is the biggest misconception, which leads a lot of people astray. So that's not how it works. And because you're watching this video, don't worry. You will soon understand what matters most in the crypto market. So let's delve into it straight. So this is the thing that matters most in the market. It's the market cap, right? So what is a market cap? It's the evaluation of the coin, right? So it's the value of the coin. So if you look at, for instance, when you want to know what is the biggest company in the world, you look at the company. So the companies are ranked according to their market cap. So the market cap is the value of the company. So in the same way, a market cap is the value of the coin. So the value of a coin means everything, right? So that is the thing that means everything. So a market cap, so if you want to delve deeper into it, into the technicalities, then a market cap, it's like the supply times the price, etc., etc. You can go to ChatGPT if you want to delve into what a market cap is and how to calculate it. But basically, simplistically speaking, a market cap is the value of the coin. Just like you would value a business. If ShopRite is one of the biggest companies in South Africa, why? It's because ShopRite has a lot of money inside the system, right? So it has a lot of money inside the system. Maybe it has the biggest money so the most amounts of money inside the company. So that's why that's the evaluation of the company. So coins are ranked according to their market cap. So the ones that have the biggest market cap are ranked at the top, and the lower the market cap, the further down the list the coin will be. So if you go to coin market cap, right, this is coin market cap. If you go to coin market cap and go to cryptocurrencies, so this is where you'll see all the cryptocurrencies that are established enough to be listed here, right? So there are more cryptocurrencies that are made. Even every day there's a crypto, especially a meme coin that is being made every day. But so a coin needs to be established enough in order to be listed on coin market cap. So it's a good place to come and look for coins. So as you can see here, so the biggest one, number one, has, you can see that here there's inconsistency. So this one is 91,000, okay, it's fine. 3,000, okay, it's fine. This one is $1. This one is $2. So why is this one $1 but it's number 3? This one is $2 and it's number 4. This one is number 5. So this is a list of all the cryptocurrencies that exist. The biggest ones, let me say. And so this is how big they are. But as you can see here, look. So this one is $800, yet it is number 5, and this one is $2, yet it's number 2. It's number 4. It's $2. So you can see that it's not price that you should be looking at, because you can see that this is not consistent. But if you go to market cap on the other end, you can see that it's consistent. So the bigger market caps are always on top. So this is 1 trillion, almost 2 trillion. This is 300 billion. This is 100 billion, almost 200 billion. 125 billion, 121 billion. This is almost 100 billion. This is 75 billion, 75 billion, 27 billion, 25, 14, 12. You can see that there is a clear hierarchy that is happening as far as market cap is concerned, which is not the same when it comes to price. So don't look at price, you look at market cap, right? So that is number one. So now, what does this mean? The biggest thing that this means is that don't look at how much money you have in your pocket to see which coin you can afford. You can afford every single coin on this list, right? So there is no coin where it's like, I have too little money to invest in it. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, I pressed by mistake. It doesn't work like that, right? So you can invest in any coin. You can invest in any coin. You'll just get a fraction that is proportional to the amount of money that you invested in that coin. So if you invest 50 rands in a coin that is $2, I don't know, I mean, maybe you're getting like a good amount of it. So you're getting maybe, what is it, 0.8 0.8 units of that coin. I didn't check this, so the last time, if a dollar is like almost 16, so you're getting maybe you're getting like almost 3, right? You're getting 3 or 3 and something, some change. So you'll get 3 units of this coin, XRP, right? 3 units. But if you invest 50 rands in this coin, you'll get like a 0.001 or something of the coin. But regardless of how much money you have, you can invest in every single coin. You will just get a unit that is proportional to the money that you invested. Okay, so now now it works the same. So if you invest 50 rands in Bitcoin, you'll get 0.0000001% of Bitcoin, or not percent, units. So it's going to be 0.00001 units of Bitcoin. But now, if the market cap of Bitcoin was to double, then your 50 rand will become 100 rand. So this is what you're looking at. So when this market cap doubles, the price will also double. So now these now they are directly proportional to one another. So if this one goes up, this one goes up, right? So if this one goes up times 2, this one will also go up times 2. That's how it works. But now, in order for this is why market cap is important again. In order for this to double, you need another 1,800,000,000,000 and blah, 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 in order for this to double. So it takes you need a lot of money in order to get a 2x on your money if you invested in Bitcoin, right? But if you invested in a coin, let's say let's just choose this one. If you invested in this coin, you only need 1,700,000 in order for this coin to double. So 1 million, a lot of people are millionaires. So a millionaire could just take their whole million and buy this coin, and then by so doing, this coin does a 2x, and you'll easily get a 2x on your money. But no one has a whole 2 trillion lying around to just simply put inside this coin and make it 2x overnight, right? So it's easier for coins with a smaller market cap to increase in value. It takes less money to move the coin up. It takes a lot of money to move Bitcoin up. So even if someone comes and buys $100,000 worth of Bitcoin, the coin will still move up like maybe 1%, so it won't be significant. But if you come with 100,000 in a coin that is maybe 800,000, then you can imagine. So that's a whole lot of money that you've invested into the coin. So the market cap is going to increase significantly, right? And yeah, so that's how it works. So the coins that are down the list, it takes less money to move them. So you are more likely to achieve a 2x, 3x, 4x in the coins that are further down the list. It's very much harder to get a 2x, to get a lot of multiples if your coin is higher up the list. So the higher the market cap, the harder it is for the coin to multiply. The lower the market cap is, the easier it is for the coin to achieve multiples, right? Because it takes less money in order to move the coin up if the market coin is low. But if it's high, like this one, it takes a lot of money in order to achieve a 1% growth, a 2% growth. So it needs a lot of people with a lot of money to be investing. Okay, so that's how it works as far as the potential of achieving multiples in a coin that you invested in, right? So now we're going to look at, so let's start here, right? So what you can do as well, you can look specifically at memes. So here I went to meme coins. So what I did was I went here to more, and then I went to memes, and then I pressed memes, and then this is how I got to this page here. So now this page here again, so you just go to memes, and then all the memes that exist that are established are listed here according again to market cap. So the biggest one is Dogecoin, the second one is the Shiba Inu, next it's Pepe, next it's meme core, next it's official Trump, all the way going down. But you can see now why people make a lot of money with meme coins, because with meme coins it takes a lot less money in order to move a meme coin. Why? Because the biggest meme coin is only 25 billion rands. So as opposed to the whole crypto market where the biggest one is Bitcoin and it's almost 2 trillion rand. So this one is only 25 billion rands, and that's the biggest one. So if you go to maybe like a number 10 in the meme coin list, I'm just going to say this is number 10, I'm not going to count. So this one, it's like 500, what? It's 500,000. So you can imagine with 100,000, this thing moves up 20%. So if someone, like 2 people or 4 people, can put together like 100,000, so one person coughs up maybe 20,000, and then they invest into this coin. 5 people invest overnight, and then this coin has already gone up by 20%, right? As you can see here, in 7 days 20%, in 24 hours 10%. So that's how it works. Yeah, so with meme coins, it's very much more easier to achieve multiples, even crazy multiples on your money. So now we go here. So here I did the same thing. I was on this page, I went to more, and then I went to AI. All right. So here, these are AI coins. So these are meme coins, these are AI coins. Same thing. They are ranked according to market cap. The bigger ones are on top. So the biggest AI coin is Tau Bitensa, and it's only 2 million rands. 2 million, the market cap is 2 million. So if 10 people get together and they put it, 10 people get together, each person puts 100,000 on the table, and then this coin goes up like significantly. All right, so it doesn't take a lot of money to move like the AI coins up much, right? So but also the lower the market cap, the higher the risk, right? So if you invest in Bitcoin, the price won't move significantly up a lot overnight, but also you can rest assured that your money is more stable, right? Because with a coin like a meme coin or coins with a lower market cap, as much as it takes a few people with a lot of money to move it up, it also takes a few people with a lot of money to move it down. So if a coin has 2 million in it, and someone, let's say someone holds a significant amount, so that person, if they were to withdraw 100,000 from the coin goes down significantly. Now the coin is down maybe 20%, just because one person withdrew, if if that person was holding a lot of the supply, right? So higher risk, higher market cap, lower chances of achieving multiples, like crazy multiples, but also your money is quite stable. You won't see it down like 20% overnight necessarily, unless if it's like a crash or something. But if your coin is lower down the risk and it has a very small market cap, it takes maybe 5 people to move it down 50%, right? So it's a higher risk, higher reward. It's easier to move. Lower market cap coins are easier to move up or down. So it's a high risk, high reward. So yes, so that's why you must do your diligence, your due diligence. Okay. So now this is an AI list. As you can see, this is an AI list. This is Tower Potensis number 1, Neo Protocol, Internet Computer. So yeah, you can delve into each of those individually. So as you can see, the market caps of even the highest, the ones with the biggest market cap in the umbrella of AI, the market cap is still like it's not that big, so it's still easier to move, right? So if you are invested into an AI coin, you invested at a good time, and maybe by good time I mean like the market is about to pick up, which today might be the day. All right. If you invested at a good time when the price is low and it's about to turn and go up, then you can get a lot of returns on your investment. So this is where you're looking. Even here with this coin, you're looking at like a 10x, 5x to 10x, right, on this coin, and this is the biggest one. Even with the memes, with Dogecoin right now, you're still looking at like a 3 to 5x, right? 3 to 5x from these levels when the market picks up, right? So even with the biggest market cap coins in memes and AI, you're still going to get a lot of money in return for your investment. So you're looking, if you invested like 10,000, you're looking at 50,000. If you invested 10,000, you're looking at like 100,000, right? But that's if the market picks up and it picks up well, right? And these are the biggest ones, so you can also still invest in lower coins, and that's where you can achieve your 100x's. Yeah, but high risk, high reward. You need to do your thing, your due diligence in researching the coin. Now we're just going to look at individual coins, right? So this is Dogecoin. As you can see, low, up, down, up, down, up, nyana, down. So we're already down. So what do you think is going to happen? Do you think we're going further down or we're going up, right? So just looking at the charts, you also need to get to a point where you can see if right now is a good investment opportunity, right? If the coin is established and it has a lot of community behind it and trust, and it's currently low, the likelihood of it going back up is high. And if it's currently low, then you know what's next, right? So as you can see, this is Dogecoin. The market cap, let's just do market cap. It's the same. So the price, look, price and market cap are the same, and because they are directly proportional to one another, right? But you look at market cap, not price, when you're making your investment decisions. Yeah. So here you can see it's the same, right? So yeah, that's Dogecoin. So if you invested in Dogecoin now and it goes back to like the market cap, it's all-time high, then you're looking at like a 4x. If it goes further, then you're looking at more x's. SPX. So these are just my favorite coin. Not Dogecoin. Yeah, I have a higher risk appetite, so I'm not really into Dogecoin like that. So I'm into SPX and Doge, and then other ones as well. So as you can see here, you saw Dogecoin. So Dogecoin's market cap, you can see it here. It is 25 billion, right? So it's the biggest meme coin. And then here you have SPX. Here it's 500 million. 500 million is the market cap. So if this coin goes to this price, that's just to this price, right? If this coin goes to this market cap, so that would be 5x on your money if it goes to this market cap. And this is not even a high market cap of Dogecoin. Okay, so I like this. I think I like this coin very much. We're gonna come back a few months from now and look at the price action, and you're going to wish. I'm joking, eh? Yeah, you'll see. Yeah, just look at the price action and also do your research. So these are coins that I like. So if you trust me, maybe you can look into the coins that I like, get your own confirmation. Or maybe the opposite. You see that maybe this guy is crazy. This is not worth investing into. But this is not investment advice. This is just me sharing with you things that I believe in, my own perspectives, right? So this is SPX. It's currently at 500 million. This is Doge. This is Dogecoin. This is currently at 6 million. So if Dogecoin goes to the market cap of SPX, that is about 10. No. That's about 100x. So if you have 10,000, you have 100,000. So if it goes all the way to like a Dogecoin price of today, that is like 1,000x and something, right? Yeah. So right now it's low. If it never goes up again, well then everyone who's already invested loses their money if they are in losses. But you can do your research. So this is a very new coin and it has never tasted a bull market yet, right? So yeah, you can do your research there as well. So I chose these ones specifically to show in this video because these three are kind of like, it's like the same concept, kind of, they related to each other. So this one and this one. So this is the biggest one. This is like grandfather, this is the father, and then this is the son, right? So I chose these three specifically for that reason because they are very much related to one another. All right. Yeah, so these are the coins that I'm going to speak about today, and yes, I think I'll close the video off here. You saw the market cap: Dogecoin 25 billion, SPX 500 million, and then Dogecoin, the market cap is at 6.4 million, right? And so yeah, so because Dogecoin is at 6 million, it's very easy. If someone has $1 million and they put it into this coin, the coin goes up like significantly already, like 20 something percent, I think, right? And so if you have a lot of people investing a significant amount of money, this coin can just in overnight, this coin can do a 3x, 4x. Over a month, it can do 100x or even 1,000x if it's a proper bull run, right? And then less so here, less multiples, and then here, way less multiples because of the market cap of a coin is inversely proportional to the potential that coin has for X's multiples, right? So the bigger the coin, the harder it is to get multiples on that coin. If you invested in that coin, the lower the market cap, the easier it is to get multiples on that coin, right? So we're gonna close off this video here. I don't want to make it too long. I think it's already long. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And comment, right? Comment, so that I get feedback and I know exactly what videos to make for you guys. So like as well, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I hope this was very informative. As I think for me it would have been very informative when I started in crypto. So I hope it was for you as well. Like, comment, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.